When considering a trading platform, investors have several options, including Etoro and Coinbase. The choice between these two ultimately depends on the type of investor you are and your specific needs. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, whereas Etoro is a more general trading platform that offers a broader range of assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, commodities, and more. If you're only interested in trading cryptocurrencies, you can use either platform. But if you're looking to trade stocks, ETFs, or other assets beyond crypto, Etoro is the better choice since Coinbase does not support these. For cryptocurrency trading, fees are an important consideration. Etoro charges a 1% fee on crypto transactions, while Coinbase's fees are less transparent and vary based on the amount traded, typically ranging from 0.5% to 3%. However, Coinbase offers a paid subscription plan called Coinbase One, which eliminates trading fees for frequent traders. The choice between Etoro and Coinbase often comes down to your specific investment goals and strategies. For those who only invest in crypto, frequently buy and sell, and prioritize access to a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, Coinbase may be the better option, especially with its subscription plan for active traders. On the other hand, Etoro is more suited for investors looking to buy and hold stocks, crypto, and other products for the long term. Even if it offers fewer cryptocurrencies with over 100 major ones available, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana,